Welcome to this demo video, where you'll learn about how to use Vertex AI Studio, Google Cloud's cloud-based platform for creating and experimenting with generative AI models. By the end of this demo video, you will be able to understand the key features of Vertex AI Studio, explore tools for text and image-based AI applications, learn how to use automable and custom model training for different skill levels. Vertex AI Studio is a cloud-based platform that allows users to create and experiment with generative AI models. The platform provides a variety of tools and resources that make it easy to get started with generative AI, even if you don't have a background in machine learning. Vertex AI by Google Cloud streamlines and unifies this entire process into a single platform. For new customers, you can sign up for free for 90 days. You can sign up by providing your Google account, or if you already have a login, you can log in using your Gmail account. Start by providing your email or phone number and create an account if you haven't already done so. Upon signing in, you can initiate the creation of a new project or workspace. Within each project, you have the option to activate a single API or enable all recommended APIs. As you navigate through the dashboard on the left side, you will find Vertex AI Studio, which provides a range of features including free-form text, chat, vision, translation, and more. A standout feature of Vertex AI Studio is the predefined prompt gallery, where you can explore various prompts across different media types and models to kickstart your projects. For this demonstration video, we will showcase the blog post creator in action. You can generate a blog post simply by providing an image or text to an existing prompt. In this demo, we will remove the current prompt and replace it with a text-based prompt focused on a new mobile app launch centered around fitness trends. This app is designed for fitness enthusiasts and will be free for everyone to download and use. On the right side of the interface, you can select from different models such as Gemini Flash and Pro, each offering unique features and pricing structures. Additionally, you can define parameters like temperature and token limits. The output can be formatted as either plain text or JSON. The system will also indicate the number of tokens required to generate the content. After providing your prompt, simply click the play button to see Vertex AI Studio automatically create the blog post for you. You can then modify the generated post to suit your specific needs. Let's check another example, this time for images. In this example involving image analysis, users can provide an image to Vertex AI and ask questions related to it. Each question can build on the previous one, creating a layered context for discussion. For instance, if a user asks, "Where is this mountain located?" the AI can deliver an accurate answer. Subsequently, the user might ask, "Do similar mountains exist in the United States?" The AI will then refine its response based on the additional context provided by the follow-up question. This approach enhances the interaction by allowing for deeper exploration of the topic. While large-scale ML applications require seasoned specialists, Vertex AI empowers users of any skill level. AutoML, for beginners, requires no coding experience. Simply feed in your data, and with a few clicks, AutoML generates a high-quality model for you. Custom model training for experts. For experienced data scientists and ML engineers, Vertex AI provides the flexibility to train models using their preferred frameworks, such as PyTorch, TensorFlow, or XGBoost. In this demo video, you learned that Vertex AI Studio offers tools for creating generative AI projects, including text generation, image analysis, and predefined prompts. Users can explore features like Automl for beginners and advanced custom model training for experts. Vertex AI is designed to empower users of all skill levels, making generative AI accessible and flexible for a variety of applications.